Hello, everyone. My name is Deval. I'm a self-taught software engineer, and so I just want to share with you a couple of my projects. So I'm just going to go through my Python language project at the moment. It's a Mad Libs project. Here is the base code for it. The idea here is quite literally just to create variables and ask the user to create inputs. So for the first one, we have an input of adjective. Can you enter an adjective? The user will enter an adjective. Then another one, I'll enter a noun, enter an animal, enter a verb ending in ing. And so once we fill out all these inputs, it's just going to create print statements that will print out the story based on the variables that were entered. So for adjective 1, please enter an adjective. We see that the variable is here and it says weather. So today I decided to visit the park to enjoy the beautiful adjective 1 weather, which would be the variable that was inputted here. And so this is my Mad Libs game, and here is the terminal version. So here is the actual code, and then we're just going to run it, and you'll see the terminal opens up, and then we just enter the first adjective like it says right here, and then we will go to the story. And here is the finished product. And for the final adjective, we will use the word plain. Enter, and then there you have it. You'll see an output. Today I decided to visit the park to enjoy the beautiful clean weather. I packed my gun and headed out. When I arrived, I saw a dog that was running by the John. It looked fit. And I then decided to join the group of people who were swimming a game of baseball. Swimming a game of baseball. Interesting. I wasn't very good, but I tried my best. After a few rounds, I took a break and enjoyed a delicious pizza from a nearby stand that tasted witty. While relaxing, I noticed a group of planes having a lazy times near the Indian Ocean. They were reading and seemed to be having so much fun. As the sun began to set, I felt happy and decided it was time to head home. I will definitely come back to this plane park again soon. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you all next time.